Good morning, children. See page number 75. Let us revise. So children, in our previous video I had explained the different methods of separation, okay, like hand picking, winnowing, threshing, magnetic separation. Okay, so children, first is question is given, is sugar solution a mixture? Why? Yes, sugar solution, it is a mixture of sugar and water. Okay, so it is a mixture. Okay, give a suitable method to separate the components of a mixture when. Okay, try to give example of the above mixtures. First is given, there is a difference in size of component, so we use the method sieving. Okay, example like big stones from wheat grain, so we use the method sieving. There is a difference in weight of component, so we use the method winnowing. Okay, like example, to separate wheat grain from husk. Then third is, see, there is a difference in magnetic property of component. So children, we use the method magnetic separation. Example, to separate iron objects from garbage. Okay, the iron object, they attract towards the magnet. Okay, then D is, there is a difference in size, shape or color of the component. So which method we use? We use hand picking method. Okay, hand picking method. Example, to separate stones from pulses. Okay, children, now next method of separation is sedimentation and decantation. So children, these methods are used to separate insoluble solid from liquid. It is based on the difference in weight of different components. So children, sedimentation and decantation method used to separate the insoluble solids from liquid. Okay, like separate sand from water. So sand is insoluble in water. So how we remove sand from water? We use the method sedimentation and decantation. Okay, and it is based on the difference in weight of different component. Because children, देखो sand and water, mixture of sand and water, sand is heavier, okay, and water is lighter. So sedimentation and decantation method is used on the difference of weight of different component. So children, one activity is given in your book. This activity is based on sedimentation and decantation. So children, in a beaker, take a mixture of sand and water. So in a beaker, we take mixture of sand and water and allow it to stand undisturbed for some time. Okay, कुछ time के लिए उसको disturb नहीं करना है. ठीक है, it is allowed to stand undisturbed for some time. So what will we observe? That we see that the sand particle, see the second diagram, ठीक है, undisturbed for some time. So we see the sand particles, they are settled at the bottom. Okay, the sand particles have settled at the bottom of the beaker and a layer of water. Okay, this is clear water. So layer of clear water is formed above it. इसके ऊपर कौन सी layer बन जाती है? Clean water की. Now in third step, slowly pour the water. अब क्या कर रहे हैं? थर्ड उसमें क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Slowly pour this upper layer water into another beaker. Okay, taking care that the sediments of sand is not disturbed. मतलब केवल वो clear water इस beaker में आए और जो sand particle है वो यहीं पे रहे. Okay, so this is called decantation. So children, the settling of heavier particle is called sedimentation. Like जैसे sand settle at the bottom, so this is called sediments. Okay, sand particles, they are heavier. ठीक है, they are settled at the bottom. So the settling of heavier particle is called sedimentation, and the process of pouring the upper liquid. Okay, in third one, see in third one, and the process of pouring the upper clear liquid into another container. Okay, without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Okay, this is sedimentation and this is decantation. So decantation means pouring the clear water into another water, another vessel, another beaker. Okay, and sedimentation means take a mixture of sand and water, ठीक है, and leave it for some time. So after few minutes, we see that the sand particles are settled at the bottom. So this is called the sedimentation. Okay, and pouring the water into another vessel is known as decantation. Okay, now children देखो the process of sedimentation can be made faster by loading. Okay, sedimentation can be made, ये तेजी से हो सकता है by loading. Okay, so what is loading? In the, see children, this is the process of loading. So in this process a block of alum, alum means fitkari, okay, take a block of alum is suspended in muddy water. So children, this is the muddy water. Muddy water means mixture of mud and water. ठीक है, तो take a piece of alum and suspend it. So after some time we see that the mud particles are settled at the bottom, okay, and a clear water liquid above the sediments. So suspended in muddy water, the mud particles become heavier and settle down. The clear layer of liquid formed during sedimentation is called supernatant liquid. This is called supernatant liquid. Okay, the clear layer formed is called the supernatant liquid. Now next method of separation is filtration. So children, filtration method is, देखो, this method is also used for separation of insoluble solid particles from a liquid. Okay, filtration method is also used for separation of insoluble solid particle from a liquid. So it is more suitable if the size of solid particle is very small. Okay, if the size of solid particle is very small, they are insoluble in water, then we use the method filtration. Okay, so in this method the mixture is allowed to pass through a filter. ठीक है, इसमें क्या किया जाता है filtration में? The mixture is passed through a filter. Filter is a medium with very fine pores. What is a filter? Filter is a medium with very fine pores. इसमें क्या होते हैं? बहुत fine pores होते हैं. The insoluble solid particles retained by the filter, okay, are called residue, and the clear liquid collected is called the filtrate. Okay, the insoluble the mixture, the mixture passed through the filter paper. Okay, so the insoluble solid particle that retained by the filter is called the residue. ठीक है, एंड द क्लियर लिक्विड ऑब्टेन, उससे जो क्लियर लिक्विड जो पास हो जाता है, जो क्लियर लिक्विड मिलता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फिल्ट्रेट. ओके, जैसे सेपरेट टी लीव्स फ्रॉम टी, तो वी यूज़ अ स्टेनर. जब मम्मी आपकी चाय बनाती है तो उसको स्टेनर से करती है ना, छन्नी से छानती है, तो जो टी लीव्स है वो कहाँ रह जाते हैं? स्टेनर में रह जाती है, और जो टी है वो कप में नीचे आ जाती है. तो स्टेनर में जो रेसिड्यू पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं उन्हें हम उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? जो टी लीव्स रहती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? रेसिड्यू. और जो क्लियर लिक्विड उसमें से पास हो जाता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फिल्ट्रेट. ओके, तो कॉमनली यूज फिल्टर्स आर a piece of muslin. So children, they are the example of filters. ठीक है, filters are a piece of muslin, malmar cloth. Okay, it acts as a filter, and a filter paper. A layer of cotton or a layer of riverbed sand can also be used as a filter. इनको भी हम filter की तरह use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, in filtration size of the pores of the filter is very important. ठीक है, इसके लिए filtration में जो filter है उसके size जो pores हैं वो बहुत important हमारे लिए होते हैं. फॉर गुड फिल्ट्रेशन के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? द पोर्स इन द फिल्टर शुड बी स्मॉलर देन द साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स टू बी रिमूव. जिन पार्टिकल्स को रिमूव करना है उन पार्टिकल के साइज से क्या होने चाहिए? छोटे होने चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर फिल्टर में पोर्स बड़े हैं तो क्या होगा? जो इंसॉल्युबल पार्टिकल दे पास थ्रू द फिल्टर पेपर, फिल्टर उसे फिल्टर से पास हो जाएगा और वो फिल्टर नहीं हो पाएगा. तो इसके लिए फिल्ट्रेशन के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? द पोर्स इन द फिल्टर शुड बी स्मॉलर देन द साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल्स टू बी रिमूव्ड. ओके, वाई डज योर मदर पास टी थ्रू अ स्टेनर बिफोर सर्विंग इट? तो कैन यू नेम द फिल्ट्रेट? येस, टी. ओके, एंड द रेसिड्यू इज टी लीव्स. नाउ एक्टिविटी 5, to obtain clear water from muddy water. Okay, this is an activity. We use the method filtration to obtain clear water from muddy water. तो muddy water क्या होता है? Mixture of mud and water. तो we use the method filtration. ओके, हम क्या करेंगे? जो मडी वाटर है उसको फिल्टर से पास करेंगे. ओके, तो फिल्टर से पास करने पे क्या होगा? जो मड है वो फिल्टर में रह जाएगी. ठीक है, और क्लियर लिक्विड क्या होगा? उसमें से पास हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये एक्टिविटी है कि किस तरीके से हम यहाँ पे बताया कि किस तरीके से फ़िल्टर पेपर बनाएंगे. ठीक है, उसको किस तरीके से फिर मडी वाटर को उसमें से पास करेंगे. सो मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड: मडी वाटर, beakers, funnel, glass rod, filter paper and stand. Okay, they are the materials required. Now procedure: Set up the funnel in the stand and keep a beaker below it as shown in the figure. Okay, so children, this is the setup. ठीक है, ये एक फिल्ट्रेशन का एक हमने इस तरीके से सेटअप बनाया. दिस इज़ द स्टैंड. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द फनल. Okay, this place a filter paper in a funnel. ठीक है, and pass the muddy water through it. And this is a beaker. This is the glass rod. So in first step, fold the filter paper as shown below to make a quadrant. Open the quadrant by keeping 3 layers on one side and 1 layer on the other side. Now place this filter paper, okay, in the funnel. Now place the filter paper in the funnel. Now pour muddy water into the funnel with the help of glass rod. Glass rod से हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे हमने glass rod लगाई है और यहाँ से हम muddy water को इस filter paper में से पास कर रहे हैं. और इस filter paper को किस में लगाया है, हमने इस funnel में लगाया है. तो क्या होगा इससे चिल्ड्रन, कलेक्ट द फिल्ट्रेट इन अ बीकर. ठीक है, जो फिल्ट्रेट है, मड है, कलेक्ट इन अ बीकर. Open the filter paper, come to observe the content. So we see the observation, the beaker below the funnel. ठीक है, the beaker below the funnel contains clear liquid without any mud particles. ठीक है, and all the mud particles they retain on the filter paper. ठीक है, all the mud particles they retain on the filter paper. Okay, and clear water collect in a beaker. The collect water passes through them. So what is the result? Filtration is an effective method to purify water. Okay. Now next method is evaporation and condensation. So children, you know it very well. Evaporation means change of water to water vapor. Is on heating. Okay, is called evaporation. And what is condensation? Opposite of evaporation, change of water vapor to water on cooling is called condensation. Okay, so evaporation and condensation method where we use, देखो, the process of conversion of a liquid into vapor state is called evaporation. Okay, so in nature दिस प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस स्लोली. नेचर में जो ये प्रोसेस है, ये क्या करता है, कैसे चलता है, बहुत स्लो चलता है. बट इफ़ वी इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर, द प्रोसेस ऑफ इवेपोरेशन बिकम फास्टर. बट अगर हम उसका टेम्परेचर बढ़ा दें, ठीक है, जैसे वाटर वेपर में चेंज होने के लिए अगर हम हीट को ज़्यादा बढ़ा दें, टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा कर देंगे, तो इवेपोरेशन जो प्रोसेस है वो क्या हो जाएगा, इट बिकम्स फास्टर. A liquid components of a mixture can be separated by evaporating it, leaving the other component behind. ठीक है, तो evaporation में क्या था, evaporation करने से क्या होगा, water evaporate हो जाता है और जो दूसरा component है वो बच जाता है. जैसे separate salt from water. ठीक है, तो we heat the salt solution, the water is evaporated, the residues left behind which is salt. The evaporated liquid can be recovered by collecting its vapors and cooling them. The process of conversion of vapors of a substances into its liquid state is called condensation. Okay children, clear evaporation and condensation? Okay children, this much for today's class. Thank you.